I first became interested in education back as an undergraduate. I had the opportunity to go to China for a couple of years, and while there I taught some classes. I didn't anticipate falling in love with teaching, but it was just a great experience. So when I returned to the States, I started looking into teaching programs, and the union program really stood out for me because of the full-year internship. Even as a person with just a little bit of experience in teaching, I recognized that attending a graduate school with a full-year internship model would make a difference in my career. So I taught public school for 10 years. And while I did that, I continued to stay engaged with the program. I was a mentor teacher. I taught a couple of classes for the program. Gradually became interested in the field of adult education and what we do here at the Graduate College. My students inspire me to teach. They inspire me to teach every day, whether it's formal class interaction, whether it's an email from a student who had a stressful day in his internship and needs some advice, or a phone call or a meeting one-on-one with a student. They inspire me every day. It's hard to describe what it's like to be a teacher unless you've actually tried it yourself. It's so inspiring, and it's so challenging, and simultaneously so joyous that you just have to try it to believe it. When you're teaching a class and a hand goes up or a student asks a question, you don't know what they're going to say. You can't predict what they're going to say. You can't predict what direction their mind is going in. So it's a constantly evolving and challenging profession. It's something that will keep you excited and learning for the rest of your life.